Hi, thanks for tuning in for today's tutorial on my digital studio with Angela Carter. Today I just want to show you how to create an entire page using picture as a background. So what I did was I went into File, New Project. I clicked on Custom, chose 12 by 12 square, said Create Project. I named my project and I saved it. So I've already done that. Now I want to go over to my resource palette and click on the photo layouts. And there's a whole bunch of different options for you here to choose as far as what layouts you want to use. So I chose the full page photo, and as you can see, double click or drag and drop. So I click on it and I drag it over to my project and let go. And now it's creating an entire page of a picture. So the next thing I want to do is go grab my picture. I come over here to my photos, and here's the photo that I want to use. So I'm going to click on it and drag it over. It's going to tell me that it may be too small, but that's okay for this project. I click OK, and this is my picture. If I want to zoom in, I can do that here, but I'm not going to. Or if I want to rotate it, I can do that here as well. So I'm just going to click OK. Now my picture is in my page. It's been already adjusted through Instagram. That's why it doesn't look like a typical picture. I went and did some fun stuff in Instagram and uploaded it. So now I have this picture as my background, and I can either change my opacity to make it like really light so I can add a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'm just going to leave it where it is, because what I did then was I just added a couple of words and I created a punch. So the first thing I'm going to do to add a punch is come up here to my resource palette, click to access punches, and I've already got it up over here. It's my flag punch. I'm going to drag that over to the screen. Now I don't want that flag to be what do you call it, straight up and down. So I'm going to rotate that to the right, horizontal and vertical. Those are the words I was looking for. So I am going to drag it down to the corner where I want it, and I want to change the color. So I'm going to come over here to my design center, click on color fill, and I'm going to choose red. Well, if you want to get technical, raspberry ripple, but for the sake of this video, we'll say red. And I'm going to add a drop shadow to it to give it a little bit of texture, I guess you want to say, or a little bit of depth. So now I've got my punch in there. I want to add a stamp to go on top of that. Now you can come over here to stamps, and this is the one I want to use in the Very Merry stamp set. And I'm going to drag it over. Make it a little bit bigger. And that's it. That's all you have to do to create this page as a background. Or you could even just decorate your photos so you can upload it to Facebook or a photo album to share with other people. And that's it. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. And as always, please check out my website at www.angelasinklink.com. Thanks for watching.